Also new today, a local reality TV star who was pending criminal charges here in Arkansas was back in court today for his molestation case in Florida. At the center of Joseph Duggar's hearing, two motions were filed by his legal team, both of which were denied. The first motion looked to amend an order that barred the former 19 Kids and Counting star from being within 500 feet of the alleged victim's home. The judge denied that motion. And the second motion dealt with Duggar being allowed to visit his children without any supervision. The prosecuting attorney argued while his children aren't potential victims in Duggar's Florida case, they allegedly are in his Arkansas case. The judge also denied that motion. And here's the judge's ruling and line of thinking from earlier today.
I just want to know that there is a ongoing child welfare proceedings in the state of Arkansas. Is that correct?
There is, Your Honor. I'm not involved with that, but I have spoke to his legal counsel, and that is correct.
And there's criminal proceedings out there.
There were, correct. I'm not sure if those are completely resolved yet or not.
Well, I would deny the motion, but he can certainly have unsupervised contact with his children. Of course, that I can't do anything about any prohibitions that the Arkansas jurisdiction has.
Yes, Your Honor.
And in Arkansas, Duggar and his wife Kendra have both entered not guilty pleas to 4 counts each of second-degree endangering the welfare of a minor and second-degree false imprisonment. They're both due back in court in Arkansas on August 10th. Meanwhile, in Florida, Joseph Duggar's pretrial hearing is scheduled there for July 14th. And there he faces 2 felony counts of molestation of a victim under 12. We have the full story right now on our website, knwa.com.